Dear friends, before, share with you one of our Kasim poultry farm. The chicken cage with equipment. Please enjoy this beautiful modern farm vlog. Our engineer shot it with a 720-degree panoramic view. The video was shot in 2010. There are 20 houses in the farm. The chicken houses for raising chickens are equipped with intelligent air conditioning systems for regulating temperature and fresh air systems for humidity. There are 9 laying hen houses, each with 80,000 chickens, using our 5 tiers fully automatic intelligent layer cages. There are 6 broiler houses under construction, each with 60,000 broilers, using our automatic broiler harvesting cage system. This video shows the laying hen house with cage system. Our group is headquartered in Hong Kong, with factories in China, Nigeria, Tanzania, and Ethiopia. Our product quality strictly complies with EU standards. The company's main products are fully automatic layer chicken cages, broiler, chicken cages, breeder, chicken cage, feed units, and other poultry farm equipment. This farm is located in south of China. It is dry in summer. The automatic manure removal system transports manure to the outside of the chicken house in time. The fresh air system brings fresh air into the chicken house, minimizing the growth of viruses and the spread of chicken diseases. This video was shot by our engineers in 2010. This large poultry farm was built in 2005. Please contact us anytime. We will give you a variety of solutions of your poultry farm or chicken house for your selection.